Welcome back to my channel, Knowledge Insights, where we simplify tech, online careers, and everything in between. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates on how to grow your skills and earn online. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. I belong to BinLogic's Technology Solutions, a professional IT company providing top-tier technology services. At BinLogic's, we specialize in website development, custom web and mobile app development, technical support and maintenance, IT consultancy and strategy, cloud integration and infrastructure setup, data engineering and data analytics. Whether you're a business owner or a startup founder, we are here to turn your tech ideas into reality. What is web development? Let's get right into it. What exactly is web development? In simple terms, web development is the process of building and maintaining websites. Every website you visit, whether it's YouTube, an online store, or even your school portal, has been built by web developers. There are mainly three types of web development: front-end, back-end, and full stack. Front-end is what you see on a website: layout, design, buttons, menus. Back-end is what runs behind the scenes: databases, servers, APIs. And full stack, that's someone who can do both. In next episode, I will explain front-end, back-end and full stack concepts in detail. So don't worry, and just focus on basic concepts of web development. Do you need a degree to become a web developer? Here's a common question. Do you need a degree? The honest answer is, not always. A bachelor's in computer science or IT helps, especially for big companies. But if you have strong skills, a good portfolio, and can show what you have built, you can absolutely land jobs or freelance gigs without a formal degree. In fact, many developers start from boot camps, online courses, or even YouTube tutorials. What matters most is your ability to solve real-world problems and build usable applications. Essential skills for web developers. Now let's break down the key skills you'll need if you're serious about becoming a web developer. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This trio is your front-end foundation. Version control, Git and GitHub. You'll use it to collaborate and track code changes. Responsive design. Your websites must work on phones, tablets, and desktops. Back-end language, like Node.js, PHP, Python, or Ruby on Rails. Databases. Learn SQL and NoSQL systems like MongoDB. Frameworks and libraries, like React, Vue.js, or Angular for front-end. Express.js, Laravel, or Django for the back-end. And most importantly, practice. Build projects. Create a portfolio. That's how you land clients or jobs. In another video, I'll go deep into topics like freelancing as a developer, choosing the best tech stack, and how to earn money through web development. So let me know in the comments if you're interested. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to Knowledge Insights, and share it with someone who's curious about web development. And hey, if you're looking for a team to develop your website or need IT services, check out binlogics.com. We are an IT company providing web development, cloud services, mobile apps, UI/UX design, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.